right, so let's launch your business now. You guys, if you're like us, we came into network marketing, we didn't have the first idea of what we were doing, but we were told over and over again from the different leaders that had been doing this for a while that there's a blueprint, there's a process in place that has been proven to work. And they kept telling us, as much as we wanted to, do not reinvent the wheel, just follow the process because it's been proven to work. And I know this in business in general, if somebody else has already shown something to work, we can generate the exact same results by following what they've done. And so that's really what we do in this, is we show people and we teach people what the process is. And the biggest tip that I can tell you to get started right away is don't overanalyze, don't overthink, just follow the steps. And the biggest one is launching your business, because if you don't launch your business, you never get started. So my tip for you is this: within the first 72 hours, find a time in your calendar that you can carve out an hour to launch your business. Some people are going to do that with home meetings. Some people are going to do that over a lunchtime or via Zoom on the internet. Just schedule yourself an hour of time where we can help you launch your business.
Yes, so get that done, and we're going to celebrate that. We celebrate all this all along the way. It's so much fun. The other thing that we want you to do next is every single month we have trainings, you guys. Trainings that teach that blueprint, that system, that immersion of really, really learning of how we can go out and bless more people with the products, the business, whatever it is that they need. This is where you'll learn it. So find out, every month, when is this, and get that in your calendar. Just ask the person that enrolled you or reach out to anybody in the One Person Big Difference family. And then every about 4 months or so, we have what's called an Elite Academy or convention. So important, you guys. In LifeVantage.com, if you go under events, it will show you the calendar for the rest of the year. Put those in your calendar now. Carrie Williams came to us right after we enrolled, kept encouraging us to go to the first ever convention like 2 weeks after we had enrolled, and we weren't going to be doing this as a big business. And she kept coming and coming. I'm like, no thanks, it's okay. No thanks, it's okay. And finally she said, Michelle, it will cut 6 to 12 months off your learning curve. And I gasped. I really, really did. And I said, oh my gosh, okay, I'm going to commit to that because I see that these products everybody in the world needs. So no matter if you're in this for all the products, the business, whatever, it's going to cut 6 to 12 months off your learning curve. Going to that event literally changed our lives. And we can talk more about that later, but get those in your calendar. Just follow what Shawn said. Get the launch meeting set in, the Super Saturday in your calendar, find out when that is, and then put the Elite Academy or convention in there, and then we'll move on to the next step.
And I think regardless, whatever you're doing in life, when it's something new, you can either struggle getting up the learning curve, or you can just go to the experts and learn it fast. And that's really what the academies, the Super Saturdays, the Elite Academies and conventions are going to do for you, is just quickly get you up that learning curve.
They're going to get you up that learning curve, and I'm telling you, you're going to have so much more fun. They say, if you're not having fun, you're not doing it right. So you're going to have fun, you're going to meet some more people, but the big thing too is your belief is going to be built. You are going to have incredible belief. People come to us, they're like, wow, you guys are like bulletproof. We said, that's because we plugged into everything, right? Our belief is so high in all aspects, the product, the business, the people, the corporate team. So that's how you get there.